Hey, what's up guys, this is Morgan here, and today I'm gonna take you to my little crib. It's a room that I did inspired by a Zelda theme, because if you don't know, my favorite game ever is Zelda. So I wanted to do something Zelda related, something simple. I'm in love with it. I don't know about you, but I love it. And it's something really simple that I use DIY and some patterns downloaded from the internet. So let's get started and talk about what did I use in this DIY. Most of them are just the one that you get when you start. It's just based on the wooden set and the log set. So for the wooden set, we have here the bed, the table right here with the mirror, and the dresser. We have two dressers. We have this one and we have the wardrobe. Both of them do the same thing, but I just wanted to make it feel more like a room. But they're meant to be to change clothes. So this one is just painted, customized, just to have it green, because I wanted to have some green stuff too. They don't come in this color. I use customized for dark wood for all of them. So if you want to do this style, just make sure you have customized set, because you will have to change colors. We also use the log set here. For the log set, we have the chair, the wall clock, and the shelf right here. It doesn't come with the Aroma Pot. The Aroma Pot is added. You can customize, and you can change actually the mat that you see there with the Triforce. You can change it to your pattern as well with the color. Here we have the leaf. This is another DIY we have. It takes like 30 weeks to do, so it's something really simple, and I just wanted to do because it just remind me the little cute things from the Breath of the Wild. If you haven't played the Breath of the Wild, they have this little thing. They have this cute thing called the Korok. So they actually get a Korok mask. It kind of like have the same shape. It doesn't look the same, but it looks like this. So you can see it there. So that's why I put it in there, because it kind of remind me of that, and you know, why not? The patterns on the wall are patterns that I did as well with the one on the pillow on the chair. If you are interested in downloading, I'm gonna put my creator code down in the description below, so you can download or use them if you want to. We also have pots in here. We have a pot, and we have a barrel and a classic picture. They all are DIY as well. I wanted to add it because, you know, if you have played Zelda, you know, he likes to destroy pots and barrels and all that stuff. So I just wanted to give a touch, because when I looked at it, it just reminded me of that. We also as well use boots. I bought these boots and the Ava sisters. It looks like Link boots, honestly. I just want to put it in there just to give you a touch, a little touch. That. On the wall here, we have two patterns. The patterns are made by people on the internet. I downloaded these patterns, and the Link one was made by Coral, and the Zelda one, that is the one I'm wearing right now with the crown, was made by Nova. I'm gonna also put the creator codes down below in the description, so if you want to have them, go ahead and support their design. I think she also did the crown, so the crown is you will see it when you use Coral 1. Sorry, the Nova dress. For the bed pattern, I use a pattern created by Twiinii. I think it looks pretty cool. It actually looks pretty nice for a bed design. I saw it, I was like, oh my god, it will be so perfect. So yeah, this one was created by Twiinii. I used the Tiki Torch as well for the DIY. I guess it gives a nice touch to, you know, the room. I know you wouldn't have this in a room, but you know, it looks cool. It just reminds me when I go to the dark places and I have to use torches and stuff like that. Here we have a pattern created by Dodo. So yeah, I decided to use, like, you know, when you come into the room, yeah, it's like a rug. It looks pretty cool. And I use the carpet. I got this carpet from Sahara. It's just a medium carpet that I bought like time ago that I thought I was never going to use, but hey, here we are. I found use for it and it looks pretty cool. It also matched the colors that I was trying to use as well. And for the floor, it's a DIY as well. It's called the backyard lawn. So it used weed as well, so it's pretty nice. It's just supposed to be grass. It sounds like grass when you walk, so yeah. For the wall, I just decided to pick this wall that I had just like laying there in my, because I was trying to go for the wood theme as well. Like, you know, when, you know, Korean time, he wakes up, he's just in his house that is like a tree, so I was like trying to make that kind of look, but it kind of like the wood ones that I had, it didn't fit, like, I don't know, it looked weird. So this one have like a very nice color. It's not too dark, it's not too bright, it looks super nice, and I think it fits really nice with the theme I'm trying to go here. Let's see. This is with natural light, sorry. This is full light. I don't like this one for some reason. And this is how the room looks with the lights off at night, because it's 8:42 p.m. So yeah, I hope you like the room. And if you liked it, let me know in the comments below, what do you like the most? And if you didn't like it, you can also put why you didn't like it. If you have any other ideas that you would like to see for the future videos, please let me know in the comments as well below. And I will see you guys in the next video.